Welcome to X4Jet tutorial video, HT011 controller binding. With the transmitter set to mode 2, pull and hold the throttle to its lowest position, hold the binding button, and long press the controller's power button while doing so, entering binding mode. Then power on the aircraft. During the binding process, please do not press or touch any keys, buttons, or sticks. Otherwise, the aircraft will drift and be unstable during flight. When the aircraft's rear LED turns solid red, the controller 2.4 GHz LED turns solid blue. At this time, the binding is successful. Then we can experience the flight. To perceive obstacles in flight, you can add a display to increase your field of view. Pull and hold the throttle to its lowest position. Hold the binding button and power on the transmitter while doing so, entering controller binding mode. Then push up the display power switch. The display will automatically enter binding mode and the buzzer makes a beep beep sound, entering binding mode on the display. Power on the aircraft. During the binding process, the transmitter must be very close to the aircraft. Please do not press or touch any keys, buttons, or sticks. Otherwise, the aircraft will drift and be unstable during flight. After the binding is successful, the display will show live video feed. The aircraft's rear LED will stay solid. The controller LED will stay solid blue. This concludes the HT011 controller binding process. HT011 display in the video needs to be purchased separately. Thank you for watching.